YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to repair your iPhone cables. So this technique only works for the new generation of cables for iPhone 5, 5C, 5S or the new iPads. So basically what you need is some shrink tubing and a hairdryer. For the shrink tubing I recommend using a white one because it will fit better on your cable. And you also have to use a 1/4 inch wide shrink tubing, so it'll be able to pass through the plug, but it will be the right size for your. It will fit well on your cable. So first you cut a piece of it, and then you pass it around the plug. You can use something to push to make it easier. Then you use a heat source, so a heat gun or hair dryer with the plug. So yeah, like this. So the tube shrinks around the cable. And protects it from further corrosion or from breaking. So that's it. Have a nice day.